All right. Hey guys, welcome back to howtobuycrypto.com. My name is Marco. We're going to be doing a just a victory lap, I guess, here for a second. We've got just a couple things to mention, and I'm going to go live here. I don't have my camera set up, but I'm just going to do some screen share with you just a little bit. If you haven't already, check out the, subscribe to the channel. And I want to give some shout outs and say thank you to the new people that subscribed. I was checking out Jay Snip's video and sending him a super chat. And Brenna G's Designs, a lucky shot. He was talking about Craig Grant's what do you call like hack or whatever, and all his dealings with BitConnect, and I don't know. Anyway, he was talking about that, and I was checking it out, and I did a super chat, and talking interviews and stuff. But anyhow, hey guys, thanks for the ad. And I wanted to say, hey, congrats to anybody that's in Bitcoin right now. Let's look. Poloniex is looking at 79.43, 79.49 in that range, and Bittrex is about the same, 79.22. If you haven't, or you can join the group here on Facebook as well. We were talking and Salt and Funfair earlier. And Chris was talking about photography, and man, yeah, dude, I'm into photography and birding. I was doing it in between some jobs. Sweet shot that Chris did in Philly, yeah. And I was showing him this osprey that I took a picture of here, but this is all off of the, when we started talking about $8,000 Bitcoin, then he's saying, talking about altcoins. And then we went off totally off course. Hey guys, if you want to share your hobbies, I did want to do something non-crypto and just talk, chat with you guys a little bit. And that's kind of one of the directions we were going with photography, because I enjoy doing that. But on the topic of cryptos, again, guys, kudos to long-term thinkers. The weekly indicators look like we got another couple of weeks of upside. The 9 falling on the 27th. The 9 indicator falling on the 27th. And it's looking like it'll line up pretty well with the daily 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's so it'll be the 23rd. Let's see. Yeah, 9 would be on the 23rd. So you'd be looking at 1 to 4 day pullback. And then, up higher based on the weekly. And the weekly was telling us, that we're still going up. So I went ahead and pulled some profit. Under $8,000. I saw it hit, but I was posting here with you guys. When did I post this? 2 hours ago, about to break 8,000. And then, I posted that it did. Let's see, where was that? On my regular page. Let me go to this and, saying, hey, yeah, there you go. $8,000. And I was too busy talking to people, to cash in a little bit and catch the $8,000. That's okay. I caught it like 79.75 or so. And we may, bounce back up, but I went ahead and pulled some profit there. But as it looks, we'll see where it's going. And I'll be watching and talking to you guys. I'm not going to go in depth with all the indicators and do, too much explaining here. But I want to say, hey, guys, congratulations to those holding on and, thinking longer term and just seeing, the benefits of holding Bitcoin going from, B Gold and the Bitcoin Cash and now possibly 2X. They're talking about 2X on the 17th. GDAX released an email talking about how, you have got, let me see if I can find it real quick and we'll, I'll read it to you on, let's see, I don't know which account I had that email in, but if I find it real quick, I'll read it to you. So GDAX, yeah, okay. So here we go. There have been a number of developments with Bitcoin 2, SegWit 2X since our last update last week. The SegWit 2X development team announced they would no longer continue the project. Yada, yada, yada. So scenario 1 is what they're talking about. They're going to stop withdrawals and deposits 6 hours before the fork, approximately 2 a.m. Pacific time on November 17th. The trading of Bitcoin will not be impacted. And deposits and withdrawals will be re-enabled shortly afterwards. So basically, they give the two scenarios. Number 1, the network is unstable and eventually or unusable and eventually becomes usable. Then they will at a later date they will enable the withdrawals of Bitcoin 2X. Scenario 2, that the network is usable And if the transactions are being confirmed at a reasonable speed, basically they're saying they will allow the customers to withdraw, Bitcoin 2x. And so anyhow, it says, but we will not enable trading as previously stated. We may enable trading at a later date. So basically, you've got possibly a 2x, dividend to pay out. And hopefully that ends up, hey, maybe you get some more free Bitcoin. What do they call that? Like children, babies, Bitcoin babies and their coins, and get some free cash, I guess, for holding Bitcoin, man. There's so much potential. And guys, when I started this channel, I was telling people to buy Bitcoin under $2,000, and obviously, it's paid off for those that paid attention. And, if you don't know what to do, if you're still new to this, buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin is a good bet. And if you're looking long-term, we're talking 2020 at the halving of Bitcoin. That's a good, way to look at it. Just buy a little bit of each. You don't even have to buy much. You could buy as little, I think, as $3 on Coinbase, using the Coinbase app. And I can just bring up a page there for you guys to see the Coinbase. And, as little as $3 of each, and just hang on to it. And, see if the price keeps going up, maybe you can add a little bit more. And there's so much news, so much that I need to talk about, but I'm just not ready. I was supposed to have Josh and Miguel come on tonight, but Josh's dad has just gotten out of the hospital, and he's seeing to his needs at home. And, for those of you that don't know, Josh's dad was in an accident and had a traumatic brain injury. And so he's definitely, having to look after his dad. And he's saying tomorrow we might be able to make it work. So, hopefully we get that going tomorrow with Miguel as well. Miguel was busy, didn't work out tonight. So hopefully we'll get into that tomorrow. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up here, guys. Again, if you got any questions, you can email me at marco@howtobuycrypto.com. You can message me on YouTube, on the Facebook group. I'll be happy to hear from you and, take your questions, comments, and inquiries. That's it for me, guys. God bless you all. I'll talk to you soon.